stuff.
Yeah, definitely. And, as this air mass starts to work in, it is producing a little light rain. It's not very heavy, it's not lasting long, and it's not encompassing much of the state. But some areas are getting lucky this morning with some drops. Mostly the central highlands, the western Maine mountains. I had about 1/10 of an inch of rain last night. You can see it's steady rain up near Greenville, heading into northern parts of Penobscot County. Lincoln, you're kind of up next. Sprinkles down closer to the coastline. This is all very light stuff. Need the wipers on like the intermittent cycle, not the full blast side. All right, 55 to 60 degrees right now. So there you go. It's starting out pretty warm, and humidity's starting to creep up a little bit. The dew points are now in the 50s, and that's fine. That's refreshing. That's still comfortable. But by the afternoon and by the end of the day, it's closer to like 60, 62, 63 as a very humid air mass, muggy air, starts to bubble up the coastline. So we'll get some scattered showers as, again, that arrives. Tomorrow we've got the cold front to come through, and that'll spark a shower or thunderstorm. But don't count on rain from Mother Nature much this week, either today or tomorrow. There won't be many areas that get a true soaking. So a few spots of light rain this morning, otherwise just cloudy skies. It's comfortable out. There isn't much wind yet either. We get to the middle of the day. I think the clouds thin out enough for some hazy sunshine, at least a few hours of it, and that'll boost temperatures into the 70s inland. Keeping them in the 60s coastline. It's because of the onshore wind. This breeze is going to be out of the south, and it's going to kick a little bit this afternoon, maybe 10, 15, 20 miles per hour, which will bring in cooler maritime air, producing some fog. And this may be some thick fog that rolls in during the late afternoon and early evening. Might have a cool look to it, hanging over the trees and things like that. But it is going to chill us down quite a bit. Up in the mountains and across the north, there's a good chance for a shower, perhaps even a thunderstorm. Now, this line that comes in after dark and overnight will be a line of severe storms out in New York and Vermont, and then dying off as it enters Maine because it's a lot cooler here, a lot more stable. But leaving behind some heavier raindrops for the overnight and perhaps a couple of rumbles of thunder. Chances for rain during the day, during the daylight hours when you're outside and working around, 30%, not very high, just a few scattered drops. Up in the mountains and north, and also over in New Hampshire, you've got a higher chance. It's more likely that you see some drops, 50%. High temps reach the mid-70s inland, only 60s though for the coastline. Compare that to the last couple of days, it's definitely going to be a cooler day. Yesterday we hit close to 80 degrees even along the coast. Mid-70s also up in the mountains this afternoon. Tomorrow's warmer, it's sunnier too, and then in the afternoon there's a chance for a thunderstorm as the front passes. Behind it you think it'd be colder, but it's not. The heat comes surging in real quickly. Low to mid-80s on Saturday, almost 90 degrees on Sunday, and there is a chance for a thunderstorm, but it's really small, and if we get it, it's probably up north or in the mountains. This front won't have much success getting south into this hot air. I mean, that hot air is really going to beat it back pretty good. Marine forecast seas 2 to 4 feet, south winds 10 to 20 knots, water temp 52. So here's the 7-day. We're looking at mostly cloudy skies. There'll be some splashes of sun here and there. High temperatures in the 70s inland, 60s coast, scattered shower. Tomorrow, partly sunny, warm and humid, 75 to 80. A thunderstorm possible in the afternoon. Look at that Saturday temp, 84 inland, 82 coastline, mix of sun and clouds. Good beach weather this weekend, looking hot on Sunday, 85 to 90, and likely 90 degrees Monday, Tuesday. I think the heat probably breaks Wednesday, but there's still some conflicting info there. It might stick around actually deep into next week too, so we'll see if we get some relief there on Wednesday or not.
That's totally July, August weather right there.
Let's hope people can find those air conditioners we're talking about.
They're somewhere down in the basement, behind the furnace.
Hey, remember everybody, you put it in the right way. It's a workout at the same time, so just keep that in mind.